Sure. Yo boy, I'm back again with another client. Ngiphethe esishisayo. Umfethu uzozisha igama bese eseyasho ukuthi sizokhuluma ngani, but mina sengimbuzi. Sikhuluma ngento eyenzakalayo right now eSouth Africa. Umfethu uthi ufuna sikhulume with Martian Mashi and unembono afuna ukuyibeka ngayo. Wami ubani igama and why ufuna sikhulume ngalento and how does it affect?
Magandibulise Botani. My name's Nungaba Ngamakotezo, all the way from the Eastern Cape.
Sure.
It's very tricky, man. What's happening in terms of South Africa, Kaya, man. Honestly, man, I do understand by why, like, what's happening with the Sun Orange Young Ginto. But the way of expert that we is second Thailand, for me, it has no fairness, sort of. Because obviously, for me as a South African, there's a guy, but I'm a refugees or foreign people come from outside, doing as illegal drugs, everything that I don't like and support it very long. But you can't tell me as Bafunake to keep everyone in South Africa that has no original here in South Africa. It's very tricky because I have that belief, but okay, let me give as a quick example. Guys that are like fruits in the streets. That guy stays like the whole day. Trust me, there's no South African that can do that. The whole day, but some fruit away to run South Africa. As Africans, we have pride, but as we don't want to say hustle. That's basically us. So that it's for me, I don't understand. And also, a kid example, I'm not biased or something. Or tribalism, but a white person can come to this country. We don't ask passport, we don't ask ID, we don't even issue like normally. But one black person enters here, a lot of questions are asked. So it's very tricky, man. Like honestly, for me, I don't like abantu bafikelana dues into illegal or to drugs. It's wrong. Like it's destroying our culture. That is going our country. Sorry, not our culture. But I can fight for my country. But the way that we portray this, man, honestly, man, for me, sometimes it doesn't make sense. I don't get it, to be honest.
Omunye umuntu uzothi mina sengihlalile ekhaya angisebenzi amathuba omsebenzi, there is no jobs, there is nothing, and these people they've been employed. Ekutshela umuntu uhamba uye kwi Pick n Pay, so omunye ukutshela ukuthi hamba uye kwi shop eso, omunye ukutshela hamba uye kwi restaurant eso. Uyabona, this is what they saying, bro. I'm not saying, uyabona. So bese sethi ngabe ngiqashiwe mina, it's not like ukuthi I'm lazy. And omunye uzokutshela ukuthi mina singawathenga amafruit shop, you understand? So what do you say in terms of job opportunities and all that? Because abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi indlala balambile, and mina ngikhule kuthiwa hey bombhaso umuntu olambile.
As a put in terms of job opportunity, as a job is scarce in South Africa, that we all know. I'm currently unemployed, even myself. I'm hustling away. I can hustle. So it's honestly it's very tricky in job savings. Like the jobs rate just increased last month. I think it was the second quarter in UK. I'm not sure the figures, but it's pretty high right now. The unemployment.
It's going up.
So man.
I've heard it's more than 300,000 people they lost their job.
Imagine and look, man, Kulema Kai, man, is born and bred here. So like let me tell you just a education truth that I always and I always tell myself, I always tell Abantu and always myself. I think this for me this drives me every single day, but if you can come and hustle
something,
if you tell yourself that number one, the unemployment rate is high, I will never get a job, and no one will hire me, if you have that mindset to you, that negatively, you won't achieve yonke into ofuna
anything,
achieve
yeah.
because you already told yourself but I won't get
whatever
this.
you think
So
of is sending a message to the universe.
Exactly.
Sure.
So ingqondo yakho ngengqondo yakho if ufune uinvesta more because so ugqibile but I won't achieve anything. So I always tell myself now I'm gonna buy a BM, can you Porsche?
Yeah,
I will tell
sure.
myself now that I think
With
that
one thing, sure.
yeah, but that drives me like every day. But if okay, let me aim for this
For
high.
something, yeah.
So if you're a human being who's also aim up,
Yeah.
you because that's your standard that you put yourself virtually.
Sure,
So
yeah,
also
sure.
people, yes guys, no matter life how rough is it, man. Like now life is not okay for me right now, but
Sure, yeah.
I always believe to us that self-esteem that but later I will go there, I will achieve things for my letters for man.
And manje you've mentioned ukuthi you are not working, ne?
Yeah.
And omunye umuntu uzothi awuspani ngoba amathuba omsebenzi awekho, the yonke into it's fully occupied because of, you understand, when you wanna go and work some maybe one day or vele with your hustling usha.
Hey Brian, I think as abantu we need imali every corner, bro, that comes. Left and right, we need everywhere.
Yeah, sure.
So for me, anything that comes, we have to grab the briefcase because it can be a 9-to-5 job, it can be a hustle job. So man,
Sure,
as
yeah.
long as straight and then
As long as, yeah.
So say imali, bro. I know it's especially when it comes to the big cities, Joburg,
Yeah,
Cape
sure,
Town,
yeah.
Durban, PE. Everyone wants to go to the big cities, but the opportunities are zero, unfortunately. So just to get your hopes up and then just tell yourself back. Also, eventually, I believe, that's basically life, brother.
Yeah, sure. So what can you say with the buildings? Because abanye bathi nama buildings are hijackiwe, bathi ingane singama prostitute right now, What can you say on that? Like with the whole thing scenario, ungathi ungayigoqa kanjani yonke leyo?
Yabona lo nto ibuhaxa kancinci because I think is
Ubuhaxa means it's difficult.
Yeah. So I think
when are you speaking the deep Xhosa? Buhaxa. Yeah. No,
So-
it's my first time hearing this word, bro.
Oh.
And I'm gonna use this thing. Buhaxa.
So but when I go to man, honestly, it's funa sithemba to the justice system is about that about the bazayijonga yonke le nto zonke is allegation and everything, man, because it's wrong xa kwayijoka ama-building and everywhere and then and it's wrong, man, because I have no power, I can't say anything, man, like it's,
About that,
so
sure.
it's very tricky what comes with that, but let's hope our justice system can prevail and make it South Africa to a better place.
When who do you blame? Because there's good days, right? There's always have someone to be blamed. When with your own like the way you're viewing the what do you call this? Who do you blame with the whole thing that is going on right now?
Yeah, brother, as low, like I said before, it's quite tricky because blame like anyone can be involved, man, what's happening. But I think it's some for South Africans, but like just to stay firm and strong, and then stick to our boundaries. Maybe South Africa will become a better country. South Africa is a beautiful country, my brother.
And with my own look, like viewing it, bro, South Africa is supposed to be the richest. Yeah, it is, because everyone is coming to South Africa, bro. There's a reason for that. But it's supposed to be, it's supposed to be 10 times bigger than this, my guy. Like, that's how I see it. I don't know. Maybe someone can view it with another angle.
Yeah, South Africa, it's a rainbow nation, man. Rainbow nation, that means for India beautiful. It's diverse in every way, man. But we don't, things that are happening, the crime rate is going up.
So what do you think, since it's going up right now, do you believe is that people who lost their job?
Oh, my brother, there's this old saying that there's this old saying, and I quote, if the poor are hungry, the rich won't sleep. The rich, what is it? If the poor if the poor are hungry, the rich won't sleep, and the rich the rich can't sleep because of the because the poor are hungry. I think it rhymes around there. So basically, the main bar, there's two classes. This rich class, they can't sleep because of the poor people. Still, that's the honestly thing, man. But if we can balance the equation, if you can, I don't believe in the poor, man. Like, that's now I'm very I believe in the poor because, like I said to you earlier on, like the Kulele is Lalini, and then is Lalini, man. Like we didn't have that pressure, but like go to school, like it was a normal thing, like it was the norm to us, man. That was so privileged. So we didn't diverse of we're poor or rich, don't know. Everything was norm to us. The school is near two school and town once in a while. So it was that sort of thing, man. But
but some of the people are more. That's why it's about I understand. Omunye uzothi kusekhaya
yazi ne
omunye uthi uzothi bastelela online, they speaking some sensitive word online, that's why I said they must leave. So with those who are speaking too much online, what can you say?
Hey, brother, I think South Africa, it's a freedom of speech, man. So anyone can speak anyone wants. It's a free country. But in terms of but fine, but if I'm getting an illegal wrongly, fine, they must go because they're breaking the law. But I always myself that if go by all, if it's possible, but not getting shopping, are we entrepreneur enough to have e-shops, younger lawn or resources? I don't know, but it's I think it's a quite.
There was a guy in running a shop.
I think it was valid.
What can you say?
Yeah, you see, my brother Lando, it's complicated in a sense of both parties are wrong, man. Like South Africa, like you can't do anything now. Probably shop, be careful, but are they gonna approve or whatsoever? It's very risky and dangerous to things to do, man. So we just have to hope for the best, I guess, my brother.
So my brother, please just say anything, advice to everyone about what's going on and the topic that we're talking about. What can you say to people? This thing must stop, it must continue, what the government must do, and how were you gonna deal with this situation if it was you?
Brother, I don't want those powers, but I think all of us to be one and unite, and let's try to make South Africa a better country. And man, if everyone's breaking the law in any sense of breaking the law, and that the full justice, and man, to enjoy the guy, man. I don't condone violence, man, but I hope peacefully with order, because I believe that's causing more violence. We see causes class pull up my shops, simply building more cost and more that will have impact to us. So I think listen, hopefully they can go smoothly, and then but I think that's the thing I can say.
So thank you very much, my G. I appreciate my guy.
It was a fun day.
Thank you very much. Oh, you're gonna find us on it's Josie Passengers City. You're gonna find us. Sure.
No,
thanks, my brother.
Cheers, man. God bless you.
Danko.